Check out the aftermath of an unprecedented flood in New England. The rains were so relentless that even days after they stopped, most rivers were still swollen. Locals say nature's whims caused immense damage to infrastructure, although you can grasp the scale just by looking at this bridge. It's like nature doesn't even see bridges as obstacles. Look at how effortlessly the current washed away the structure in just a few seconds. It's as if it was never here in the first place. Iowa local caught a moment that could set the stage for a story about the end of the world.